guys, welcome back to Yes or No Item Review. Today we're going to review the INTEX portable hot tub that sits 4 people. Let's check it out. Alright guys, so this hot tub seats 4 people. The water capacity is 210 gallons. The height of this thing is 28 inches. The flow rate of this tub is 460 gallons per hour. The temperature range is 68 degrees to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature rises 2 to 3 degrees Fahrenheit per hour. There are 140 bubble jets. Power requirement here is 110 to 120 volts.
Alright guys, I'm here, Homer's wife. I need to be energetic.
Alright, so it comes with 3 things inside the box. So this is what comes inside the box.
Okay.
We'll just open this one first. So we'll show you what comes with the first box. First box comes with all this stuff right here.
The spa itself, that's the built-in inflation system. And this is the insulated ground cloth. And that are the filters. And that is the spa itself. And the 2 whites are the 2 headrests. They are included. And that are the strip tests to test your waters and the chlorine and to prevent buildup of dirt and bacteria in the water.
All right, let's check out what's inside this second box right here. Whoa.
So that's the second box.
All right, I'm gonna open the owner's manual right now.
Poured into a grounded electrical socket. Press the reset button on the GFCI, the top part. Yes. Third, turn on the spa electrical equipment.
Huh?
Fourth, press the test button on the GFCI RCD. Indicator should turn off and the electrical equipment should shut off. So, yeah, indicator should shut off. If the GFCI RCD indicator does not turn off and the electrical equipment does not turn off, the GFCI RCD is faulty. Do not use the spa. And I almost break it. This is now we're in the spa control panel. You first push the lever down to tilt up the control panel and flip up the panel cover.
Okay, cool.
Okay, number 2. To slow the control panel back, push the button located on the back inward while pushing the control panel. Yeah, that one, if you want to put it back.
So take out the ground cloth and spread it over the clean area.
Cammy, get out there.
Bubbles facing down.
This bubble right here should face down.
Spread out the spa liner over the ground cloth and point the drain valve toward a suitable draining area.
Okay. Okay.
Fill up the control base side cover. Alright, so this is the part when we do that. Okay, open that one. Okay. Pull out the latch to open the cover. That's what it is. Okay. Cool. Now next one it says insert the hose adapter.
So you need to look for this parts like a hose.
So we'll get the hose.
So this one looks like a tongue.
Yep.
You're going to face this, especially this one right here to your right, this one. So this will clip here. See that?
Gotcha.
Okay, and then you need to shoot this tongue right here, this hole. Okay, ready?
Go for it.
Okay, watch it, and I'll shoot it right now. Shoot. Then you see that this latch, you put it in. Then
close it.
Clip close, and this should be up.
Cool.
This is how it looks like first. So there's a lot here, but you don't need that. This one that has this
right there.
This one, you open as if you're opening your gas to put gas. So there, it will fall.
So you take take the hose.
Take the hose.
You insert it.
This one, and then you're gonna insert it here, right there. You see that? And there's like, you pair it there, and they said, oh there, and put it to the right to lock it. There,
Turn
it's
to the
locked.
right. Yep, cool.
Okay.
Okay, now turn it on. Press the bubble button to inflate the spa tub wall.
So the bubbles right here.
Go ahead. Whoa. About like 8 minutes to 10 minutes, something like that. And now we're putting back in the air valve cap back.
So this, you will just replace this after, as if you're putting back your gas cover to your right. There you go. So now this is the cover of the spa, and the insulated cover, and now we're gonna inflate it.
Press the bubble. It took maybe like only 2 minutes.
Yeah, 2 minutes, so it's like that thick. You can put this, cover it right.
Look how my wife is so strong.
Wow, look at that. I'm strong. Captain! Captain America! This cover that how they
Well, yeah,
it.
it's supposed to have latches here. Let's see. Goes down here.
Safety of the kids here. So for the safety, let's say you have kids and you have baby. Of course, for safety precaution, you don't like them to drown, right? And open this, and then they'll swim. So you need to lock this, and this is a special lock because there's like 2 spare of keys that they give you. So they give you another 1 extra. And it's kind of like a key. You're gonna put it in, and then you can lock it. There. So the kids can't even open it.
Cool.
So, and then if you unlock, then just put it in. Then put in your right. Then
You're good.
open. So don't lose your keys for your inflatable spa.
So now you connect the remaining.
I unscrew this part right here. It's like pretty basic. Lifty loosey. There you go.
Yep.
And
You put that in.
Sure. So righty tighty.
Cool. And now the other side. Connect those. This one. This one.
And the big is last.
And the big one you should do last.
Alright.
Cool.
Guys, this is how it looks like when it's inflated finally. Look guys, there's a line here, minimum, maximum. There's like filter here. It says letter C and letter C. And look, I'm 5 feet tall. And if I'll be here, look, oh my god, I'm gonna drown there. Look, it's all the way. I'm gonna sit properly. So I'm 5'1". So look, I only have like probably 2 inches on my head here. And if I'll swim, I can even swim here. So guys, as you can see, this is the jets here. This is the 140 jets. So this like holes here, that's the one that we're gonna pop water I mean pop air to show bubbles and massage you.
Drawing number 10. All right, so get your filter and
So
put
here
it
I have
on
two
C.
filter right here, guys. It has a lock and unlock arrows, so that's the hole there. And there's two here. Here, see here, and then see here. This one in the bottom, not this one. No. So this here.
There you go. Locked here. All right, this one only has one. And the valve right here, make sure this is locked.
Okay.
Cool. Now for the fun part. Put water that fills up to maybe the middle. Right here. All right. The water now is filled up to like a little bit above minimum. There's the water. And all you do is you hit this right here and then put your desired temperature. This comes with it, actually.
Yeah, this is the backrest.
Yep.
So now we will gonna blow this. Put the nozzle, put it in, and
there you go. You have two backrests.
make sure they're locked.
All right, so we got the backrests. You can just put it wherever you want.
Whatever you want, yeah.
Maybe like right here.
Okay, and I have mine, and I'll put mine right here. So I face my husband. Or if you want, you can put it next to your husband.
Face it our child.
Yeah, facing Braxton there.
But anywhere you want, anyway. All right, so it is finished. Now we just have to push the bubble button right here. Ready? Guys, is this item right for you? Leave your opinion on the comment section. If you like this item, the link is in the description below. If you like our review, please help share and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. If you have more questions, please let us know. Write to us on the comment section and we'll try our best to answer as best as we can. Alright guys, see you next time.